開始之前請幫手訂閱，俾個 like 同埋分享出去俾你嘅親朋好友睇下啦。
美國總統特朗普第二個任期中嘅首個訪華行程於5月14日展開，雙方就台灣問題、中東戰爭及經貿、國際形勢達成唔少共識。美國人最關心中國買咗乜嘢貨，伊朗戰爭幾時真正結束？中國人則關心美國係咪要喺台海紛爭中出兵，係咪要大舉軍售？呢啲問題，特朗普喺回程中於空軍1號專機講得明明白白。
On arms sales to Taiwan. So it sounds to me like you have consulted.
Well, I think 1980 is a long way.
It was.
That's a big far distance away. No, we discussed arms sales too.
And what's his request?
We discussed to Taiwan. You know, the whole thing with the arms sales was in great detail, actually. And I'll be making decisions.
What was his request?
But you know, I think the last thing we need right now is a war. That's 9,500 miles away. I think that's the last thing we need. We're doing very well.
Would the U.S. defend Taiwan if it came to it?
I don't want to say. I'm not going to say that. There's only one person that knows that. You know who it is? Me. I'm the only person. That question was asked to me today by President Xi. I said, I don't talk about those things.
He asked you today. He asked you if you would send troops, if you would defend.
He asked me if I defend them. I said, I don't talk about that.
習主席同特朗普會面時講到台灣問題係中美關係中最重要嘅議題，處理唔好兩國就會有碰撞甚至衝突，中國更唔會容許台灣搞獨立及有勢力支持其獨立。特朗普接受美媒訪問時立即表態唔支持台獨，佢更直接向台灣示警，我唔希望聽見有人指美國支持我哋，所以就要搞獨立。特朗普帶住美國政商巨星團訪華，喺中國簽下大量訂單，喺台灣問題上亦明確表態，美國唔需要台灣海峽，美國唔需要一場戰爭。佢嘅言論令台灣民進黨獨派即刻口啞啞。特朗普此行令中美領導人喺台海衝突一事正式劃下紅線，令中國處理台灣問題向前邁進一大步。亦令台灣獨派及民進黨政府認清台獨路上冇美國大腿抱。特朗普今次訪華期間表現平和，就台灣問題嘅言論亦比過去更清晰。有分析指佢要借中國之力殺停伊朗戰爭，為中期選舉鋪路。中國招呼佢亦巧花心思，開放領導人辦公嘅中南海俾佢暢遊。
不時駐足觀賞園中蒼勁挺拔的古樹和各色月季。習近平指出，特朗普總統此訪是一次歷史性、標誌性的訪問，我們共同確定了中美建設性戰略穩定關係的新定位，就保持經貿關係穩定，拓展各領域務實合作，妥善解決彼此關切，達成重要共識。同意就國際和地區問題加強溝通和協調。訪問有利於促進相互理解，加深彼此信任，增進兩國人民福祉。這也再次表明，中美在相互尊重基礎上實現和平共處、合作共贏，走出一條正確相處之道，是兩國人民所願和世界各國人民所盼。特朗普總統希望讓美國再次偉大，我致力於帶領中國人民實現中華民族偉大復興。
習主席就特朗普此行作出高規格嘅總結，喺美國訪華團流經期間，又陪同佢哋參觀天壇，親自解說中國古傳統天圓地方之意。從白宮發放嘅影片可見，特朗普對600多年前嘅中式古建築都好有興趣。呢次訪華，中美雙方各有所取，各有所得，對中美未來平穩發展有正面作用，值得肯定。今日講到呢度，再會。